Here I've got Huawei Y5p, and let me show you how to remove all running apps on the following device. So all you have to do is to tap on this square icon, and as you can see here, you've got all apps that are currently active. And if you would like to close all of them, just tap on this bin icon, and as you can see, they disappeared. If you'll click here again, you will notice no recent apps. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.